Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: license, environment, and minimal table schema so you can act immediately. Once those are ready, create a site and choose a template to avoid extra design work. Then add your first table-driven page and a form component. This connects data to the UI. Make sure to set table permissions now so users can access records securely, because early security choices prevent rework later and keep your site stable. Now continue by building the core pages. List, details, and create pages to map user journeys. Configure each page's data source and layout, and wire forms to your tables so changes persist. Once done, add lists and component filters to limit results. This improves performance and clarity. Make sure to apply role-based permissions and site settings so users see the right content, and test each flow in a non-production environment to catch logic or access errors early. Finish by publishing your site and validating it end-to-end. Test form submissions, file uploads, and connected flows so you confirm data moves as expected. Once live, monitor logs and user access to catch permission or binding issues. If something fails, first check table permissions and site bindings, then inspect browser console errors and network calls. These reveal misconfigured APIs or missing scripts. Make small fixes, republish, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.